are the 5 steps that people do. But here's the big thing about what most people don't understand. I am the civil engineer. I'll tell you what I do.
Welcome to Unstoppable Podcast with Harry Sardinas, inspiring conversations with influential millionaires, investors, thought leaders, entrepreneurs who are making a massive difference with their innovative products and services, and sharing the challenges and wisdom of how they sold their first million.
How would you like to achieve your first million? And today, Dr. John Oda is joining us from United States. So John, tell us, what are the 5 steps to make your first million?
That's a great question. The first step, I would say, you have to have the right mindset. Mindset is huge because we are in this society that we have so much stuff going on, negative, positive, everything going on. So we have to first and foremost have the right mindset. The second thing what I focus on is what I call profit stations, right? We need to build a multiple stream of income inside our business. First way we should do it is we should come up with a systemized referral program. So I worked at over 29 years, over 10,000 different CEOs worldwide.
Wow.
Right? And what I found out is they don't have a referral program. So I said, so many times you guys ask for is referrals. They might say, oh, coach, 10 times out of 10. I'll talk to their staff. 1 out of 2, 1 out of 10, 3 out of 10, 2 out of 10. We add all that stuff up. I did that with a doctor. $2.5 million that he lost. Why? Because he didn't have a systemized referral program. Check this out. When you go like to McDonald's, when you go to Starbucks, everything's systemized. An 18-year-old kid can run it. Why? Because it's a systemized program. What we do for small business owners, they don't systemize it. They work in their business, but they don't work on their business to grow their business to expand. So that's the first thing. That's the second thing. So then what I'll also do, reactivation. We have old clients, right? So what people try to do, they try to make all this money, try to get new clients. Stop. It's not going to work. That's what you do. You go and you get your old clients. They like you. They love you. They might have got a little mad at you because something took place. Hey, Ralph, listen to me. I'm not sure what I did. I take full responsibility. So how about this, bro? Come on back to me. I'll give you 20% off for the first couple months. He's coming back to you now. Now you get more clients coming back to you, right? More funds are coming to you. They know you already. You got to get new clients. Guess what happened? You got to spend 10 times as much. They got to trust you. They have to know you. They have to look you up. They have to see if you're fine. You're like, and then you might get them, right? Then I would say you have to have a systemized sales process. So I train companies all the time, right? And here's what I found out. I can have a company they're training, and the one guy might do $20,000. Another guy could do $5,000. Here's the sad thing. They're selling the same concept. What's the difference? One have a systemized sales process that he takes through, which most sales guys don't do, which I do. I script everything out. Because as you can tell, I talk, right? So if I'm talking about everything else, I need to know where the heck I'm at. I'm like, okay, I'm on this step. Let me go back to that step to close this deal, right? But it's systemized. It has to be a systemized process. And last but not least, guys, you guys have to use educational marketing. Now, most people use marketing, right? No, you want to educate them. They can look this stuff on the internet. And then you educate them and go, oh my God, Dr. John is telling the truth. I looked this stuff up. You give them stats, you give them pain points. Then you open them up and pour alcohol down them so they can have the urgency to do business with you right now. But those are the 5 steps that people do. But here's the big thing about what most people don't understand. I am the civil engineer. I'll tell you what I do. I'm the guy who look at the gutters, the foundation of your business, right? I'm not the architecture. Now, if we build a strong foundation, my God, guess what? You have a freaking strong company. Then you can build it anywhere, do it anywhere, and make crazy amount of money. So did I reach the 5 steps well enough? Do you agree with them, Harry?
Brilliant. Oh, absolutely.
Follow us for more interviews with world's most influential, audacious entrepreneurs that overcame challenges and adversity, providing you with the blueprint of how they sold their first million so you can grow your business exponentially.